Hello all, welcome to Jab, and this is another video in the Learner's Launch section. We have seen the branching statements in the last week, and now there is another decision making statement in C, that is the looping statement. We may need the same set of logic that is to be implemented for more number of times until some condition is satisfied. At that situation, we use loops to accomplish this repetition. A looping process in general, includes 4 steps, and they are setting and initializing a conditional variable, execution of the statements in the loop, test for a specified value of the conditional variable for the execution of the loop, and finally incrementing or updating the condition variable. Based on the nature of the control variable and the kind of the value assigned to it for testing the control expression, the loops can be classified into 2 types. Firstly, counter control loops, and secondly, sentinel control loops. Coming to counter control loops, when we know how many times a loop needs to be executed, we use a counter control loop. And coming to sentinel control loop, when we don't know the number of repetitions of a loop, we use a sentinel control loop. This is usually called indefinite loop because the number of repetitions is not known before the loop begins its execution. C language provides for 3 constructs for performing loop operations. They are while, do, and for. Firstly, we will see the while loop. The simplest of all the loops is the while loop. The basic form of a while loop is we write the keyword while, and within brackets we need to specify a condition to stop this iteration. So while and a certain test condition and then the body of the loop. A while loop is called as entry control loop because the test condition is at the entry of the loop and controls the execution at the very starting itself. Once the loop body is executed, the flow goes to the while statement and checks the test expression again to check whether it needs to enter the loop or it should exit the loop. We will see a small example to illustrate the use of while loop. As you can see on the screen, see this small program, sum equal to 0, n equal to 1. And the while condition is n less than equal to 10. So as long as n is less than or equal to 10, the statements within the body of the loop will keep on executing. So what happens during the first iteration? Your n will be 1, which means 1 is less than equal to 10. Yes, it is. So the body of the loop gets executed, and within the body, what is happening to n? N is getting incremented by a value 1. So we are doing n equal to n plus 1. So after the first iteration or after the loop executed for the first time, the value of n will be 2. So after the 10th iteration, the value of n will be 10. So what happens after that? So it will come to 10 less than equal to 10. Yes, 10 is equal to 10. So it will execute one more time and then n becomes 11. And that is where the loop breaks. Well then, that's it in this video. Do like, share and subscribe for more content. We'll meet you in the next video. Thanks a lot for watching and have a great day.